How to add an audio track or music in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Once you have your video selected, in this case, there's no music or audio to the soundtrack and would like to add an audio piece or music, drag your music file onto the timeline down below, unlink the video and backspace to delete it if the video pops up, because we only want the audio piece. Find the portion of the audio piece you want to use within your video. Once you have the audio piece you want to use, drag it to the left onto the timeline. In this case, your audio should be selected as A1 or even A2 or A3. And just to make sure you can hear your audio, click the play button. Just imagine being tuned in. As you can see, we have the decibel onto the side or onto the right, showing us that the volume or the audio piece is working correctly. So this is the before, and this is the after. Just imagine being human, hating and confusion. A bonus tip is if you want to hear the audio piece on the timeline while you are scrubbing or playing your video clips, then go under to Edit. Go under to Preferences, and then click Audio. This window should pop up, and under Audio, click Play Audio while scrubbing or the second option, and then click OK. So now when you scrub on your timeline, you should be able to hear your audio piece or your music track while you are editing. Thank you for watching. Drop this video a like, comment down below, and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you found value and want to see more content in 1-minute videos.